Welcome to a location of EDC Group of Companies. Mobile phones use is allowed in the camp only. Photography and/or video recording are subject to the rigmaster's approval. You must attend a visitor's induction related to this type of drilling equipment. You will be informed on the ongoing operation of the rig at the time of your visit. Control Card of Risk Management, CCR, is EDC Group Observation Program, and it is used at all our drilling sites, yards, and offices. With this program, you can report any unsafe risk factors that you may have noticed, as well as your impression about your visit to our facility. During your visit, you are not permitted to leave the rig without informing the rigmaster. If you have any questions, please contact the rigmaster or line safety engineer. Throughout your visit, you must be accompanied by a crew member while at the rig site. Depending on their size and functionality, drilling rigs use different sources of energy, such as electric, hydraulic, or pneumatic. You must remember that a drilling rig is a dangerous facility. Full set of personal protective equipment, PPE, must be used to ensure your safety. Depending on the operation at the time of your visit, you may not be allowed to the rig floor. Stop Work Authority is a policy of our company. If you see any work that might be a risk to human lives, damage to equipment, environmental, or might create property damage, notify the rigmaster and he will investigate and act accordingly. On some sites, there is a danger of gas, methane and/or hydrogen sulfide, H2S, that might vent to the surface. If this is the case with this location, you will be directed on how to act depending on the situation. If you hear an alert audio signal, go to the nearest meeting point located against the direction of the wind. Look at the windsock to determine the wind direction. In case of fire, the facility is equipped with firefighting tools and equipment, signs indicating the route of evacuation. The rig site has 2 meeting points. Today, evacuation drills are not scheduled. Therefore, if you hear the alarm signal, treat it as a real emergency situation. Only certified personnel are allowed to control machines and equipment in order to avoid accidents and injuries on the rig. Special chemicals are used at some drilling sites. Follow the instructions and pay attention to the safety warning signs. In case of chemical splash, the facility is equipped with eye wash stations and emergency showers located near the drilling mud mixing area, as well as chemical PPE. Lifting and hoisting operations are performed by using auxiliary winches, cranes, or forklifts. It is prohibited to stand in hazardous areas, near moving equipment, or under suspended loads. At many rig sites, the main causes of injuries are slipping, tripping, and falling. Be careful. Pay attention to the condition of the rig floor and stairs, especially in icy conditions or spilled mud. While walking up or down stairs, hold on to the rail. All companies' facilities have first aid stations and kits marked with the International First Aid signs. Alcohol, drugs, and smoking are strictly prohibited on the rig site and camp. Prescribed medicines are allowed if these medications will not interfere with the user's ability to perform his normal duties. Smoking is only allowed in dedicated areas equipped with firefighting equipment. Should your visit require you to perform any work, the rig master's permission, a work order, and supporting documents are mandatory. Special PPE, including harnesses and safety climbing devices, are required while working at height. Climbing more than 1.8 meters high without safety fall protection is prohibited. The crew members will provide you with necessary safety equipment if you are required to perform any work at height. If you filled in a control card of risk, please drop it in a special marked box or give it to the rig master. Strict adherence to our company's standards and safety rules and regulations presented in this safety induction film is obligatory at all time at the drilling sites and support yards of EDC Group. Thank you for your attention. EDC Group wishes you a safe stay at our facility.